What's up guys, Dylan here, another YouTube video. I got a quick one today that I figured I'd let you guys know ASAP. I ran into after installing a 6-inch lift on my truck. Now this is a 2014 GMC Sierra SLT. It's got the 6-inch preloaded struts, no spacer. And then lit block now and add a leaf. Now my main issue was around 45 to 55 miles an hour. I had a weird vibration. It wasn't in my steering wheel, it felt like it was under my seat and then towards the rear of the truck. So took off my 2-inch wheel spacers and then drove it, and it fixed the problem. I have the hub centric rings. That wasn't the issue, so I started looking up online, GMC forum, maybe a YouTube video, and drive shaft vibration. Over a 3-inch block on GMCs will cause drive shaft vibrations. It's true. That's what mine was, and I'm glad it's fixed now, but I thought my U-joint was gonna be laying on the road. This is what I had. Tapered. This is a 5-inch block. And it was installed there. Now the block that's in it now is a 3-inch, slightly tapered. And then to make up for that difference, I got a add a leaf. Supposed to raise it 1.5 inches, 2 inches. I'm guessing it's gonna settle a little over an inch or so. And the 3-inch block was factory. Now this is the Z71 off-road package. It did rake when before the lift. It sat about 2 inches high in the back. So I think 3-inch is factory for all GMCs and Chevys, but at least for the Z71 tow packages they are. And I put that on yesterday and drove it down the road, and I was like, yeah, that's it. So I just wanted to let you guys know that anything over 3 inches on a GMC or Chevy half-ton, 14 to 18 at least, is going to cause that issue after putting on a lift. The lift kit is kind of mixed, zoned, rough country struts. That's the only set of struts that I could find that were preloaded, and has some zone and then kryptonite front end tie rods and stuff, aftermarket control arms. But the steering wheel wasn't shaking, so it immediately led to the rear end. And like I said, even though that 5-inch block was tapered, I was still getting vibrations. So next YouTube video is going to be Alpha Rex headlights. Till then, have a good night.